Hey guys, welcome to our channel What Women Want W3. It's your one-stop destination. Please do subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment, and please be safe at home. In today's video, we are going to see how we can make a disinfectant cum cleaner at home in our own kitchen. So we just need 2 cups of water. 1 cup I've already poured in the bottle. Another cup I'm going to use to mix all the other ingredients. We need white vinegar or any other vinegar you have at home. You need dishwashing liquid. You need baking soda 1 spoon and salt a heap spoonful. So you just need to mix the salt and water nicely, and then you can add 2 spoons to 3 spoons of vinegar. This will work miracles to clean all your dirt and also keep away all the pests. Also add baking soda. This is optional, and you can add around half spoon of your dishwashing liquid. Depending upon the stains in your place, you can increase or decrease the quantity. Once you've added everything, try to mix this. If it doesn't get mixed properly, no worries. We're just going to pour it into the bottle and shake it thoroughly. I'm using a funnel to transfer the liquid into the bottle. You can also directly add all these ingredients to the bottle and then shake thoroughly if you do not have a funnel. So once you're done with this, you just need to attach a sprayer to the bottle and you're good to go. Your disinfectant is ready and it's going to start at work. So you can use it regularly in a day, so probably once in a day. And if you are looking to clean twice in a day, I would suggest that it would not be a good option. Once in a day in the night, you can just try this out, and if possible you can just spray it, clean it, and then just spray a little bit and leave it as such, and in the morning you can clean. This will help you from the cockroach torture which you have generally. The cockroaches come in the night and they will dwell on the kitchen granite area. Instead, if you spray this, because of the smell, they don't like it. They don't like the vinegar smell especially, so they would not come, and any other small insects or any other pest related to kitchen won't come. You can just spray this much amount, clean it with a wet cloth, and then clean it with a dry cloth. You can see the shine. You can see how neatly it has wiped your surface. You can instantly see the result. I did not soak it up. I just sprayed it, and the time when I went and took the cloth, that is the time it was soaking. So you can see the result on your own. You can repeat the same procedure throughout the granite surface and wherever you would like to disinfect. You can see that your hands won't dry out, it would be moist. We are using a lot of hand wash right now, and due to that our hands get very dry. But this disinfectant is purely natural and leave your hands clean and soft. So don't worry guys.